Compass Group plc is a British multinational contract foodservice company headquartered in Chertsey, England. It is the largest contract foodservice company in the world. Compass Group has operations in 45 countries and employs over 600,000 people. It serves around 5.5 billion meals a year in locations including offices and factories, schools, universities, hospitals, major sports and cultural venues, mining camps, correctional facilities and offshore oil platforms. Compass Group is listed on the London Stock Exchange and is a constituent of the FTSE 100 index. It is also a Fortune Global 500 company. Compass Group has its origins in a company which was founded by Jack Bateman in 1941 as Factory Canteens Limited and which subsequently became known as Bateman Catering. Bateman Catering and Midland Catering were acquired by conglomerate Grand Metropolitan in 1967 and 1968 respectively, and a management buyout from Grand Metropolitan followed in 1987 when the Compass Group was formed. Compass Group was first listed on the London Stock Exchange in 1988. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.